Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching for Tech. Yesterday I got the new SOTA update for all my OnePlus devices like OnePlus 11R, Nord 5 and OnePlus 12R. This is my OnePlus 12R running with OxygenOS 16.0.2 V400 which didn't have any SOTA tag. But via beta release candidate section I received the new SOTA update of B30P01 which is of 282 MB in the size. It has a changelog of system stability and the performance improvement. Similarly, my OnePlus Nord 5, which is also running with the same OxygenOS 16.0.2 V400 with SOTA V120P02, got the new SOTA update of EX01 P30P01, which is of 130 MB in the size. And this is my OnePlus 11R running with the same OxygenOS 16 version with old SOTA version V120P02. It received the same new SOTA version update of EX01 B30P01 of 99 MB in the size, having the same changelog of system stability and performance improvement. I installed all of these updates on my devices. Today in this video, I will check out what this update is meant for, which month SOTA update this is, which eligible devices will get this update, including what new changes this update implemented. Make sure to watch this video till the end to get answers of all of these queries. Now without further delay, let's get started. Let's first check out the device details of all our devices which we updated to this version. For the OnePlus Nord 5, the OxygenOS 16 version and the SOTA version details are now showing as OxygenOS 16.0.2 V400 EX01 V30P01. The changelog note is just showing as this is the system stability and the performance improvement. In the version section, the same details will be available with the new SOTA version number as BRB1EX01B30P01. Except for this, all other details remain same like old version. Similarly, for my OnePlus 12R, OxygenOS version is updated as OxygenOS 16.0.2 V400 EX01B30P01. In the previous build, there was no SOTA tag available for my device, but now the SOTA version is mentioned as BRB1EX01 B30P01. Except for this, all other details remain same like old version. Security patches are still old for OnePlus 12R, it's of December 2025. The same way, my OnePlus 11R software details are updated to the new OxygenOS 16.0.2 V400 with the new SOTA version as BRB1EX01 B30P01. Let's first confirm which month SOTA update this is. One of the users, when they got this update, created the post in a OnePlus community mentioning this is the January 2026 SOTA update, where moderator Winky closed this thread and redirected him to the December 2025 SOTA update thread. So it's clear that all of these updates we are getting are December 2025 SOTA updates. I have added the original thread link in the description. As per the information in this thread, we will discuss the timeline of this update, which eligible devices will get this update, the changelog of this update, and some commonly asked FAQs related to this version. First, we will check out the changelog of this update. The first change is related to the partial screenshot feature, which is only available for OnePlus tablets like Pad 1, Pad 2 that will get this update. OnePlus tablet users got a new improved partial screenshot processing with easier operations. Next is a feature available for OnePlus devices running with OxygenOS 13 and above. If you get this update, you will get the new cleanup shortcut in a smart sidebar. By using this shortcut, you can clean up the device storage anytime to improve the device performance. Next is a security related feature only available for devices running with OxygenOS 15 and above. Once you update your device to this SOTA version and open the phone manager application, a pop-up will appear prompting you to allow automatic block list update to Wi-Fi and mobile data. I recommend you to tap allow for this pop-up setting so the system will automatically update the block list data using your device network and keep your device protected from malicious activities of suspicious applications. Except from these features, system stability and the performance improvement is common for all OnePlus devices which will get this SOTA update. Let's check out the timeline of this update. This is the December 2025 SOTA update, which OnePlus already started rolling out from the 24th of the December 2025 and will be available for all eligible devices by January 12, 2026. Let's check out the list of eligible devices. Pad 3 and Pad 2, which got the latest Oxygen 16, will receive this update with all the new features and the special improved partial screenshot feature. Next is a list of devices running with OxygenOS 14 and 15. In this list, there are devices like OnePlus Open, OnePlus 13, OnePlus 12, OnePlus 11, OnePlus 10 series devices, along with Nord 3, Nord 4, Nord 5, Nord C series, etc. Keep in mind, even if your device is updated to OxygenOS 16, OnePlus is releasing this update with system stability and performance improvement. This update is also available for devices running with OxygenOS 14 like OnePlus 9 series, OnePlus 8T, Nord 2T, Nord C2 Lite and OnePlus Pad Go. These devices will receive this update just for system stability with performance improvement along with the cleanup shortcut feature. OxygenOS 13.1 and OxygenOS 13 running devices like OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro, OnePlus Nord 2, OnePlus C2 and C will also receive this update with system stability improvement along with the cleanup shortcut feature. This update is gradually rolling out for all of these devices from the December 24th and will be available by the end of January 2026. The most common FAQ asked by users about this update is that why users are getting this update with the different SOTA numbers like who are getting V10P, V20P and V30P. As per OnePlus answer, this is a regular OTA-like system update released by OxygenOS. The version number pattern typically follows this format like V10P, V20P, V30P and so on. Remember, all of these versions are December 2025 SOTA update. Recently, we updated our Nord 5 with OxygenOS 16.0.2 V400 and I was planning to release its performance, battery life and the gaming review. But because of this new update, I rescheduled this video. I will test the OnePlus Nord 5, OnePlus 11R and OnePlus 12R with new update version for at least 2 to 3 days and I will release the separate video for all of these devices. Initial impressions of all of my devices running with OxygenOS 16.400 with this new SOTA V30P01 looks amazing. So you can upgrade to this version. Still, if you want to wait for our upcoming video, it's your choice. OnePlus 11, 12 and 13 series devices already got all of this feature with initial OxygenOS 16.0.2 V400 version. So OnePlus separately released this SOTA update only with the stability and the performance improvement. This is all about for today guys. Hope you liked our work. Then please do like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content related to OnePlus and OxygenOS. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.